Good morning, California. Kevin Oliver here. And before you start upgrading fixtures or remodeling bathrooms, here's something that makes a massive difference for buyers, and it's completely free. Clean, declutter, stage. It's not just about having a tidy home, it's about presenting a lifestyle. A clean, minimalist space gives buyers the confidence that the home has been well cared for. So here's your checklist: deep clean kitchens and bathrooms, clear off countertops, remove bulky or unnecessary furniture, and pack up personal photos and knickknacks. And then you want to go ahead and layer in simple staging elements such as fresh white bedding, a few tasteful throw pillows, clean towels in the bathroom, and a bowl of lemons or green apples on the kitchen counter. You may want to bake cookies or use a little plug-in scent, nothing too strong, just warm and clean. This is Kevin Oliver with Good Morning California. And remember, it's not just about how your home looks, it's about how it feels. Let's get your home ready to shine.